Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Scenes. Today I got Lousje back with me on the couch and we are unboxing Majestic.
Welcome, lovelies. I'm excited to be back. It's a great day, and I drove here myself, and here we are.
I know.
It's like old days.
I texted you this morning, and I thought I'd have to pick you up.
When I do the directional signal, I have to use this hand and pull it, but it's all working okay.
But your wheel, is it not stiff?
My wheel is very stiff.
You should switch cars with Ruby for a few weeks.
That's what Ruby offered, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we're getting company from the Netherlands, so I'm going to trade cars with Ruby. And she's very excited to drive my convertible because the weather is for a convertible, perfect. So, and I'm going to wear her SUV that fits 5 people, right?
Yeah,
so
nice.
To tootle them around, and then I can easily drive.
Yeah,
right? It will just. I can even do it with one finger.
Be easier.
Anyway, I'm thrilled. It's been a long 5 weeks now, and my 6th week, I think.
6 weeks already.
Yeah, I'm doing well. I'm so grateful for my health now that I am really happy peppy.
Good stuff. So I just, with Ruby and her license now, she's been helping you out a lot, driving around, and I feel like I never see her anymore.
Yeah, it's true.
It's sad, ladies.
You would drive her to school, you would drive her everywhere.
And those drives, that's when you had that precious talk time.
It's true.
And now I don't have that anymore. And I always say, where are you? I don't see you anymore.
Well, she said the same to me.
It feels so, she said that she doesn't see me anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels so weird.
Yeah.
It's like she gets up, goes to school 7:30 on her own.
Yeah.
I'm still lingering in bed.
That's what she said.
I know. I in the beginning, I used to come up and say goodbye to her, and then I'd go.
She said, "Mom, just says, drive careful, bye."
But it's such a weird feeling, and I was just thinking of for you, like, I mean, with 4 children and having us leave the house. And, you know, when you became an empty nester.
And then came back again.
And then a few of us came back again. Did you enjoy that?
I enjoyed it when you guys came back, but I left home at 18 and I moved to another country, right? So I was very independent myself and I loved it, even though I definitely missed my parents. But you know, I always kind of said, go, you know, go,
But
please.
It's a weird feeling.
But it is a very weird feeling.
It's weird. Like, I mean, she's not left yet, of course, but a couple of years, a year and a half. But,
yeah, it's a stage that you move into, you think, oh my God.
But I'm feeling a little bit of it.
Stage.
So a lot of you lovelies, I'm sure,
for sure,
have experienced a lot and have stories.
But isn't it funny that sometimes I remember complaining about having to drive you guys everywhere and never have a minute to myself. And then when you do, it's like, whoa.
I know. And then you look
I'm sure
back.
You have the same
well,
thing.
Yeah, and you say that. You say, enjoy it while it's happening. But while it's happening, you're like, oh.
You're so fun. Oh, man.
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah. Are we ever happy?
Oh, I know. That's so silly, right? It's like
it's
always the next.
Yeah, well, it's a stage that you have to go through.
Yeah, but are you happy in our new?
I'm very happy.
Are you? Hemi print pants.
I love them.
Do you love the fabric?
I love the fabric.
I know.
It's a great feel too.
It's beautiful. Yeah, it's a really nice.
This goes with white, with black, of course, with any color, really. Turquoise,
turquoise,
oatmeal, gray.
Yeah.
So this goes a long way, and I love the length. Mm-hmm. They're quite long, you know, they hit me on the foot.
Yeah.
Which is good for all you tall lovelies. And of course the band is the cat's meow.
Yeah.
It feels so nicely tucked in.
Yeah, our knit band that we have on top, yeah.
I'm completely out of shape.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm all doughy.
Uh-oh.
Anyway, we'll fix that in no time.
Yeah, of course. And your Me and Guy?
And my Me and Guy, which
you own one, don't you?
Yeah, I took the oatmeal home.
Yeah, you love it?
Oh,
I've seen you wear it quite a few times.
It looks nice, eh?
Yeah, beautiful,
and it's nice because the sleeves are knit, lovelies, and the front is linen, the back is knit.
Yeah, knit here.
Yeah.
The yoke and then linen back. Yeah, and the sides are knit.
But I love the white too, and I love this V-neck.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
What size are you wearing? Small?
A small.
Small, yeah.
And then
the
this
pants?
is the pants extra small.
Extra small.
And then this is the Lousje and Bean washable silk.
Washable silk summer scarf, ladies. Check those out because we have some new colors in there.
Yeah.
Some beautiful
And a
ones.
print.
Yeah.
And you.
They're nice, nice. Yeah.
You look gorgeous.
Thank you. It's a little chilly this morning, so I'm wearing the Harriet sweater from Lousje and Bean, the one size. Beautiful color. I love this color.
I love it.
You can really wear it all year, of course.
Yeah.
And then my tank dress.
Yeah, so we're well stocked.
Yes, we
Tank
just
dresses?
restocked the bamboo tank dresses. We had a demand for them. So we have rib knit, we have bamboo, and then now we have the A-line bamboo. So they are all a new summer navy color, beautiful navy, gorgeous. You ladies are loving it.
Yeah, it's nice. And the different shape of the tank dress.
Yeah, the
It's
A-line.
well loved.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Yeah,
it's
but
such
you
a
look
nice
beautiful
fit.
with that lipstick that you will not tell me.
I
it's
don't.
false.
I'll get it for you in a second. She's so funny. She thinks I'm like keeping it from her, so she can't go and get it. I was gonna buy her one because I can't find any of my Murs, my favorite. They're probably all at her house. She wears Mur too.
Oh my god!
And
yeah, but
I
it
just-
looks beautiful with your nail polish too.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I got a nice
Yeah.
summer color.
Very nice.
Gorgeous.
Okay, I can't
All
wait.
all right, are you ready? We need to find you a necklace for your
Please
outfit.
do.
And I'm gonna
Something with-
model all the
something
necklaces.
With, turquoise.
Oh, perfect. I'm sure there's one in there. Ladies, we have restocked the Mario one, which
think
is
it's
one of
the-
our favorites.
Right?
Yeah. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
So I'm going to show you the ones we've
makes a
restocked
statement.
first because they were just so lovely.
That one.
So here is one of our restocked ones. Isn't this gorgeous? I know. I love it.
Gorgeous.
And they mostly all of them have little, you can
Yeah.
adjust it, which is
Yeah.
great.
Yeah.
But look at how beautiful, ladies. Like, it's so beautiful.
Beautiful.
I love it. And we love our silver, hey?
We love ourselves.
We love our silver. All right, now I can hand you things, Mom.
That would be lovely on this sweater, actually. Yeah. Okay, hand me.
Hand you. Do you remember this one?
Yes.
I know, I love
Oh my
this
God!
one.
Look at that with this.
Oh, you can put this on.
Yes.
That's for you.
Thank you.
Gorgeous. It's substantial. Oh my God, look, you can't see her. She's like, it's funny
I'm very
because
sufficient
I was
in one
going to
hand.
say, you probably like are
I
just
do
rocking everything. You're like, whoop, whoop, whoop,
Yeah, I take jars and I put them between my knees and I go like this.
the things you have to do, eh? Like just to adjust. That's so
But
amazing.
it's I need a nap every afternoon because it's
You-
very exhausting.
exhausting. Yeah.
Anyway.
All right.
Oh,
Isn't it beautiful?
love it.
I love it.
love it, love it.
Okay, ladies, and I'm so happy we got these back.
Oh, Mamma Mia, my favorite. That's my favorite.
And the pink is back in stock.
Oh my goodness! Look, Tessa, on all of her clothes.
I know.
eh?
I call these the chameleons too because
Oh yeah,
and
this
they can
is-
go long.
Yeah.
They're so beautiful.
Oh, what other color is there in this?
This is beautiful.
Oh, so
So these all
classy.
sold out very quick and we got them back. We had to
classy.
wait a while actually
Yeah,
because
I
they
know.
are coming from the Philippines. They're all ethically made in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Beautiful line.
Oh my goodness.
I know.
Yeah.
That would look good with your
Oh, that would be stunning.
I know.
This,
These are beautiful. Oh, sorry. One more color.
What color?
The blue.
Oh.
The cobalt blue.
Yeah.
Also stunner. Stunner.
Really.
All right. So that's it for the restocks. Now we're getting to the new stuff. Okay. You ready? Here we go.
Get out.
Isn't
I
it
had
beautiful?
not expected that at all.
No?
That's so different.
Isn't it cute?
Oh, it's adorable, Tessa.
I know. I love it.
Adorable.
Look how pretty, ladies.
Oh,
It's got the little.
that is a real conversation piece.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
gorgeous. I love the multiple colors in it.
Oh, wow.
Like rainbow. Look at in the turquoise. Oof.
Oh, oui.
And
Oui, oui.
orange. Look at this guy. Chartreuse.
Oh,
Eileen.
a favorite color.
Look at how
Yes.
beautiful in
A
there.
favorite color of many of you lovelies.
It's got like linen, like fabric inside with a wood.
Oh, it's adorable.
Beautiful,
Yeah,
eh?
adorable. Nice cording too, eh? In all of them.
All of
you
them,
know?
yeah. So nicely
Yeah.
done. You just, all you have to do is pull the two and bring
Exactly.
it. Yeah, it's really
Yeah.
easy. All right, and this one is a beauty.
Oh, that's
Isn't that pretty?
gorgeous. That's
Over
a wedding
linen.
material.
Yeah, over a linen
Beautiful.
dress.
Oh my.
Look at how gorgeous.
That is beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful.
Mother of pearl.
Look at
little shells.
This is like the perfect sweater to wear
This
for
is
these.
a chameleon too. This adopts
It goes
to
with
every
all of
color.
them.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is like a silver shimmer here, ladies. It's absolutely beautiful.
It's fantastic. What a statement.
Yeah. And then this guy.
Oh, cute. Yeah.
Very cute. So he's got a little hook and eye.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Pretty.
Yeah, very pretty.
Yeah.
Cold colored little details, right?
Yeah. Another beauty for a linen dress.
Oh, yes.
How gorgeous is that? And this one goes extra long, ladies. Look how long it goes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So beautiful. I mean, a bit long here. Well, if I stand up, you can see how pretty that is.
Nice.
Isn't
Very
that
nice.
gorgeous?
Yeah.
I love it when it just elongates.
Me too. Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Nice on any color, right?
Oh my gosh, it's stunning.
Beautiful.
Lovely, lovely new pieces. And, oh my goodness. Okay, this one's for you.
Oh!
Look at that. Turquoise with the chartreuse. And it's beautiful, ladies. It's very soft and it's got all like little...
Tessa, I love it.
I know.
You know what is nice too, lovelies, about these necklaces? They are very light. Because they look very heavy because there's so much ornament, right?
Yeah.
But it's not. It weighs nothing.
Yeah,
which
it's
is
so important.
very
I get a
important.
headache if it's too heavy.
It's
And
very
this too,
important.
very light. It looks substantial,
Yeah,
but
because
it's,
that's wood, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, wooden discs.
yeah. But
Beautiful.
again, look at this can go super long.
Yeah, and then it's
Beautiful.
strong on a blue.
Pearly
Yeah,
wood, all different components.
yeah, amazing.
Beautiful. Very summery colors, eh? With
Very
the orange
summer.
too.
Nice with denim too. This.
Yeah. Oh, look at
dark denim pants.
magnet.
Oh, that's different.
Yeah.
I've never seen that.
A little
done.
cutie. No, I know. He's a new
Oh,
one.
I love it.
Is it pretty?
Yeah, and these little cubes.
Yeah.
Amazing.
And nice strong magnet, which is
Yeah.
always great and easy.
Very nice, Tessa.
Yeah. Perfect. Okay. I'm so excited.
Oh,
We needed a
There's
restock.
so much.
I know.
Oh,
This is a pretty.
jeez, look at that one.
My eyes are so bad.
Oh, I love, love, love.
Beautiful,
Yeah,
eh?
love. Beautiful.
Yeah.
That is with
So
the
pretty.
chain, but the chain is quite long, so you can have some
You can shorten it.
adjustment movement.
Yeah, it's great.
Oh, it's
These
adorable.
are such great treasure pieces, hey?
Wow.
Black and white.
Black
That's
and
another one for
white.
you.
Yeah, a black and white never
Never fails.
fails.
No.
Right.
And actually, I have another one that you could put on with your outfit. I know
Oh.
you're going to love it.
Yes.
Because black and white, and then Lousje and I, we love to pop red. But it's like a pinky red.
I love this.
That is gorgeous.
This is one of my favorite combinations.
Look at how gorgeous.
Black, white,
And red,
it
yeah.
feels
Pink.
like I have nothing on.
No, it's beautiful.
It's
That's a gorgeous piece.
Beautiful.
Okay, and I love this piece.
Oh yeah.
Look how pretty that is.
Oh, how cute.
The earth
different-
tones natural
Yeah, a silver
with
beads.
some silver in there. Look at perfect over the.
What do you have in your ears?
So while you were away, we got new Joanna Lovett.
Oh, lovely.
And this is our splash earrings that me and Lousje both own.
Yeah, so nice.
But we got
eh?
a new one.
We do?
Yeah, well, I shouldn't show her, ladies,
No,
because then
no,
she's
no.
going to take it home.
Yeah, besides that, we're talking about this.
No, it's beautiful. It's a disc, and it's kind of got dots on it. You're going to love it. And then there's a matching little necklace. I think the necklaces are almost sold out.
But I am quite attached to these guys.
Yeah, that's the Anne-Marie, right? From Montreal.
Marie, and it's so dainty, and I love the little white pearl, you know?
Yeah.
I've been wearing them for
Yeah, no, they are beautiful.
weeks.
You don't
Anyway.
sleep with them in, do you?
Yeah.
You do?
Oh, yeah.
Really?
Oh, all my earrings, except the ones from Ayala Bar,
Yeah?
because
Well, you can't-
the
yeah.
disc is, hurting me.
I can't believe you sleep with your earrings then.
Sure, it's way too much work to
What
take
if,
them off.
what if, like, in the night it rips through your ear?
It's closed up.
To say that.
Oh my God, it closes up.
Oh man, I'd be scared. Okay, a few more here, ladies. Oh my gosh, these are like
Oh, I love
screaming summer linen dresses.
Yeah, with the wood, the real wood.
Look at how gorgeous
Oh,
that is.
yeah.
Oh, these are not gonna
I'm
last.
telling you, that sweater just takes every
Everyone,
necklace
I
you put
know. I
on.
thought, yeah, I know. It's absolutely
Crazy.
beautiful.
Wow.
I love this one. Look at it. It is so classy
Yeah.
and classic. That you would have that for years.
Yeah.
You know, these are trendy necklaces at all, ladies. These are tried and true, and you'll have them in your wardrobe forever. And look at
Oh, what a cutie. Pop art.
cute.
So cute.
So cute.
I love.
I love. Put that on too, just to see.
Yeah, look at that.
And then it
Wow.
can go longer too, or shorter, which is so great
Yeah.
as well to have that flexibility to play with it. Feel like it more in the neckline.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
right?
Yeah, that's very important.
Yeah, it's nice. Okay, ladies, one more.
One last one. Look
Yeah.
at the whole couch is full. Oh,
Look at it. So you can flip it. It's reversible. There's pearl on this side, and then sort of like a
so
amber.
creative.
I know.
Hey?
Yeah, and look at that. I like to always put them long. Look at how it sits. This sweater is a winner chicken dinner, ladies. All right, ladies, there is our amazing unboxing. Look how many pieces. We cannot wait to put them in the boutique. I know Colleen has been asking for more because they're all sold out. I think we got some great picks here.
I'm excited.
Yeah, so exciting.
So lovelies, I just want to do a little bit of thanking you lovelies, because during my absence I got quite a bit of Catwell messages and cards, and I have to do lots of cards.
I said she has fan mail.
Ladies,
every day here there was, you know, envelopes on her desk.
Tessa would come with my fan mail, but I have to do a special shout out to my special friend Rachel. Rachel, you sent me a lovely card. And I really, really thank you for it. And I hope to see you in the boutique. Kristen is going to post from now on when I will be here. So hopefully I can see you soon. And also for you lovelies who brought food. And Lena, you are one of them. You brought an amazing meal with a bottle of wine and everything. And Clan thanks you too, because he didn't have to cook that night. And there was so much we had leftovers. So I really, really appreciate it. And thank you for all your lovely thoughts and wishes.
That's so lovely.
I am very touched.
Oh, that's amazing. Well, we're happy to have you back in the boutique. I am especially. The other day, my mom's 75 and she's still working. And what am I going to be doing when I'm 75?
Yeah, well, I know what you'll be doing. You'll be in the tennis court.
No, but you love it. I would honestly, I would love a gig that you have right now at your age, because it's wonderful.
I'm privileged.
Yeah, no, it is wonderful.
You know? Anyway,
it's great. Okay, ladies, watch out. Me and Lousje are going to be here tomorrow. We're going to be dropping some new pieces, 3 new pieces from Palo Trico that we just got in. Very exciting. I know there's a beautiful summer jacket in there that you're going to love. And we'll see you tomorrow. Hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And as always, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and
keep on smiling.